Welcome to this tutorial on synthetic division, a quick and efficient way to divide polynomials. We'll walk you through each step, so by the end you'll be able to master this technique with ease. Let's get started. First, let's make sure our polynomial is arranged in standard form. This means the terms should be written in descending order of degree. For example, if we're dividing 2x cubed minus 6x squared plus 5x minus 4 by x minus 2, make sure all powers of x are represented. If any terms are missing, insert a 0 in their place. This will help us avoid mistakes. Next, write down the coefficients of the polynomial we're dividing. The coefficients for 2x cubed minus 6, x squared plus 5x minus 4 are 2, negative 6, 5, and negative 4. Don't forget to include a 0 if there's a missing term. For instance, if there's no x squared term, we would write 0 in place of its coefficient. To set up synthetic division, we need the value of x that makes the divisor equal to 0. In this case, x minus 2 equals 0 when x equals 2. Write this value on the left of the synthetic division box and place the coefficients of the polynomial across the top. Now, bring the first coefficient, 2, straight down below the line. Multiply it by 2, the value of x from the divisor, and write the result under the second coefficient. Add the two numbers in this column, and repeat the process for the rest of the coefficients. Keep multiplying and adding until you reach the last coefficient. The numbers at the bottom row represent the coefficients of the quotient. Since we started with a cubic term, the result will be 1 degree lower, so we get a quadratic. The last number on the right is the remainder. In our example, we'll interpret the result as 2x squared minus 2x plus 1, with a remainder of negative 2. And that's synthetic division. It's a fast and easy way to divide polynomials without going through long division. With a little practice, this method will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more math tutorials.